In this video we're going to show you how to reconcile the bank in Tally Accounts. Firstly, all we need to do is click into the bank module on the left hand side of the screen. Make sure you choose the right bank account for the account you want to reconcile. So I'm going to reconcile my till. So all I need to do on the right hand side of the screen where it says reconciliation is just click on the grey reconcile button. Once we've done that, all we need to do is just make sure that your start date and your end dates are correct. Put in the end balance, so mine's 3,850, and then click start. That will then bring through all of the transactions that need to be reconciled for that period. We can see that we've got our running balance, our left to clear amounts, start dates, end dates, and also our starting balance and what our target balance is. All we need to do then is just tick these off one by one, and we can see that my left to clear and my running balance amount have changed. So just match these off your bank statement and you can see once they're ticked off that they're just clearing off on here. And we can see that when we actually get down to everything being reconciled, we can then move forward and hit the save and reconcile button. If your bank account is not balanced and not reconciling, you will not be able to save and reconcile and move forward. If that's the case, then you can just put on hold, and then all the work that you've done on that reconciliation has now been saved. So if we go back down to our till and hit the reconcile button, we'll now see in here that it's been set as incomplete. I can then click back into that and all the work that I've done is saved, and I can continue to work on this reconciliation. If for any reason one of your transactions has been posted to the wrong place, you can just click on the tick box there and you'll have this little pencil icon. If you click on the pencil icon, this will just bring through and highlight the transaction within the reconciliation, and I can just click on that and we can change the code we need to post that to. So I'm actually going to post that to refreshments instead. Update, and we can now see that's changed in the bank. So all you need to do is close down that window, and when you're back in your reconciliation screen, just click the refresh button and we can now see that that's changed to refreshments. Once I click that back up again, I can now move forward and reconcile. So I'm going to go and reconcile the bank, and it will just lock those transactions down within the bank area. We'll now see that we have a lock date next to the till there, so we can show that's been reconciled. And if we go through to the reconcile screen, you'll now see a full list of reconciliations, and I can see that that one there has been completed, and we can click into that, have a look at the reconciliation, and we can print that page if we want to store that for our records. If we go back into the bank now, I'm going to show you how to reconcile a bank feed bank account. So this top one here, our business account, has been set up with the bank feed. So I'm going to go and hit the reconcile button here. And all I need to do is put in my statement end balance. So it's £259.05. And if I hit start, everything has automatically been ticked for me. So whereas on our standard bank account I had to go and tick all the boxes, these little cogs on here show that it's been matched from the bank feed. Because I've matched it from my bank feed, so I've imported my whole bank statement and told the system what the statement end balance is, I shouldn't have to go and do any manual matching because I've done that already when I did the import. So all I need to do here is just hit save and reconcile. And it's now reconciled. So we have a quick magic reconciliation process if you're using bank feeds within Tally Accounts. And that's how easy it is to manage your bank reconciliation using Tally Accounts.